Go to assembly, select the new component. The name here will be spacer, press OK. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the line. Make a line here with 15 millimeters. Create another line here with 7.9 millimeters. And create another line here with 15 millimeters. Okay, go to sketch dimension. And this point is 3.95 millimeters. Okay, go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, click here in this point and this point here. Now go to fillet, make a fillet here with 2 millimeters of radius and create another one here in this side, press OK. We have this, finish the sketch. Now go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select here the front plane. Select the 2-point rectangle, click here in this point. Make a rectangle here, 0.75 by 1 millimeters. Press OK. Here, select the constraints, coincident. Select this point and this point here. OK. We have this. OK. Finish the sketch. Go to create and select sweep. The profile is this profile here and the path is this path. We have this, OK. Operation new body, press OK. We have this. To finish this, go to fillet. Select this edge here, this edge, the far edge of the square, okay, the rectangle, sorry. The fillet here is 0.25 millimeters. Press OK. And here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.